Hello friends, hope you are doing well. Welcome you all in Mechanical CAD room. Today we are gonna exploring more SolidWorks. So let's start. Click front plane, click sketch, and remember that I am using the units of mmgs here at bottom right corner, millimeter ground second. Okay, let's start from the very first command, that is the line command. Click on the arrow. Before this, just gonna simply saying you that if you are not much aware of any command, you just have to place the cursor on that command and an automatically demo will be shown on the screen you can see here. Okay, let's start. Click on the arrow. Here are actually the three different types of line commands. Just starting from the first one, click on line command. Here selecting the origin, simply placing it, left click. Again, you can see the line command is still activated. So if we want to deactivate the line command, just right click, click on select. Yes, we are out of the line command. Now select center line, click on screen. You will see the center line. Okay, it is actually a line simply like this one, but it is the solid one. It is a center line. Now move towards the midpoint line. Just left click and then slide the mouse while leaving the left click. Okay. Now again left click, right click and select. You can give the dimension to this line like 80 mm or anything else. Right click and select to exit from the drawing mode. Now moving towards the rectangle command. Again you can show a demo of how to use the rectangle command. Okay. Just click here. You can see corner, rectangle, center, 3 point, 3 point and parallelogram. Simply understand how to utilize these. First, corner rectangle, click here, slide the mouse, click anywhere on the screen, right click, select smart dimension, give it a dimension of randomly saying 30 mm, giving it a dimension of about 20 mm. Just press enter from keyboard, select. The second one is center rectangle. Okay. First left click, then you will see how the rectangle is changing. In this type, left click, right click and select. Okay. The third one is 3 point corner rectangle. One, two, three. Okay. Fourth one is 3 point center rectangle. First it will choose the center, then the first point and the second point. So don't worry about it. These are very basic things. We will utilize this command if necessary in the further design. Okay. Parallelogram. Yeah. Randomly drawing it. Okay. You can see it automatically creating a parallelogram. So just click here. Okay. One more thing. One more thing. Select again. corner rectangle. Okay, this one. Now, the thing I wanna tell you is that when you just activate any one rectangle, corner rectangle, center rectangle, you will see here first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. All these are four rectangles, and the last one is parallelogram. Here you can see. Okay, so you can activate any one of the command directly from here, just like center rectangle, center, first point, second. I'm moving towards slot command, straight slot, first point, second point, and just slide the mouse and left click. Smart dimension, give it a dimension of center point, let's say 30. Enter. The arc length to 10. Enter. Okay. The second one is center point, straight slot. So click here, second, third one, three-point arc. So basically the difference between straight slot and center point straight slot is visible here clearly. Okay. In first one, you have to draw these two. In the second one, first you have to draw the center point of the slot, then the center point of the arc. Okay. Now moving towards the three-point arc slot. First, second, you can choose the direction. Third point, left click. Okay. Now select the center point arc slot. First you have to select the center point. Okay. Then you have to click to choose the perimeter perimeter point. Okay. Left click and again left click. So in this way you can draw the slots. Now moving towards the circle. This is the center point. First you have to choose the center, then you have to choose the radius. The second one is perimeter circle. You have to choose 3 points. First, second, and third. Right click and select. Okay. So now moving towards the center point arc. These are three types of arc: center point, tangent, and 3 point. Okay. So now clicking on center point arc. First we have to choose the center. Then on perimeter, you have to choose a point. It's like more similar to the previous slot command we have utilized using tangent arc command. First you have to draw a line to which the curve will be tangent. Okay, so click here, left click. Okay, I'm not drawing any further arcs. So to end the command, what you will do, just think, right click and select here. Okay, now you will exit from the command. If you simply just click tangent arc and click anywhere on screen, it will show a message saying please select an endpoint of a sketch segment. So you must have to select the end point of already sketched segment. Okay, what should I do to exit from this command? Right click and select. Okay. The third one is 3-point arc. First, second, third one. Choose anyone. It is a polygon. Just center click and you will see left click here. Okay. So there are two types of the polygon: inscribed circle, circumscribed circle. Okay. Just check the circle is now outside the polygon. Inscribed simply means that circle is inside the polygon. Circumscribed simply means circle is outside the polygon, connecting the edges of the polygon. Okay. So for now, I'm just drawing inscribed circle. Click here, give it a dimension, choose the circle. Okay. Let's say 50 mm and choose this line. Just slide. It is saying that adding this dimension will make the sketch over. Just close it. Okay. So if you are trying to give the dimension to this line, you can't do this because you just have drawn the inscribed circle and this circle will automatically define the length of this polygon's periphery. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is actually six-sided polygon. Just try another one. You can see here 6. Just type here 10, press enter, and you will see now the sides are 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and onwards. So another polygon, just click here, left click, just saying here 5, enter. You will see the polygon that is actually pentagon. By putting 6, enter, it is hexagon. Hexa means 6 and gonals are the angles. Just check it. So this is the end of today's video. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much.